Hello, this is Toha and welcome to my YouTube channel Toha's Knowledge and tohanowledge.com. In this video we will learn how to connect your domain with hosting and how to install WordPress in your cPanel. So previous video we learned how to buy a domain name, and yesterday we also learned how to buy a hosting. So in this video we learn how to connect domain to our hosting and install WordPress. So if we connect our domain to our hosting, we need two process. First one is you need to log in your domain control panel account. And then you need to change your DNS. DNS means domain name server. Yes, domain name server. You need to update your DNS from your domain control panel. Then you need to log in your hosting account, hosting panel or called cPanel. Then you need to add on domain. You need to point your domain to your hosting. Add on domain. Then the third step is install WordPress. Okay, so domain control panel account. Previously we buy domain from namesilo.com. If you buy domain, you can buy domain anywhere, Namesilo, GoDaddy or other platform, but process is same. And we buy hosting from namecheap.com. Okay, so first we need to go Namesilo and update our DNS. So we go to namesilo.com. Okay, then we need to log in our account. Username Toha SEO and password. Okay, sign in, don't save. Okay, now I am logged in my account and click on my accounts. This is the Namesilo dashboard. Now to go to my domain control panel, I click on manage my domain. Okay, here we see my domain name is lighteventpro.xyz. okay, so we just browse this domain for see what's happened. Okay, sorry, because our domain is not connected to hosting. When our domain is connected to hosting, this landing page will be changed. Okay, so remember, when we connect to our hosting, this landing page will be changed. So here we now in domain control panel, now we need to update our DNS, domain name server. So where we get domain name server? We get domain name server from hosting provider email. When we buy hosting, we get every details about our server. So now we need to go our email address to check domain name server or DNS. Okay, so I go to my Gmail account. I use this Gmail account to purchase my hosting. Okay, it's loading. Okay, this is the email from Namecheap, your hosting account details. Okay, so I click on it and okay, this is the name server. Okay, so I click on the name server and go to name server 1 and name server 2. Both we need to point to our domain management. So I click on my domain, and here we see change name server. We click on it. So here you see domain name server 1 and domain name server 2. I already update my domain name server for faster my video process, or you just paste your DNS1 and again copy DNS2, copy it and go to your domain control panel and change name server option and name server to paste, and then you click to submit. When you click to submit, okay, you redirect to the domain control panel, and here you see status is processing now. Here you see status is processing, so we need to wait for update the status. You just click on refresh. Sometimes you click on refresh, and yes, now we see our status is active. So from my domain control panel side, everything is done. Now we need to go our hosting panel or cPanel. Okay, so we buy hosting from Namecheap, so we go to namecheap.com and we check again our domain. Okay, still sorry, so we go to Namecheap now, namecheap.com. Okay, now we need to log in to your account. I already log in my account, so I need to go dashboard. Okay, I clicked dashboard. Okay, now I am in hosting account dashboard and click on hosting list. Okay, we see our hosting panel is here that we buy yesterday, and we click on go to cPanel to go our hosting dashboard or cPanel dashboard. So I click on, and it's redirecting to cPanel, so wait few moments. Okay, now we are in cPanel dashboard. Now here you see, now we need to add domain. So our domain, we need to point this cPanel account or hosting platform. So we search add-on domain, or you go down and you see under domain add-on domain, click on it, and now you should paste your domain name. So my domain name is this is my domain name. I copy it without http or www. So I just paste my domain name only, and I check there is no space or anything, everything is good. And I also need to create FTP account for you can upload your website data using FileZilla or other software. That's why FTP is important. You remotely update your website data using FTP option. So I click create account for FTP and generate password. Okay, I copy this password in safe place for your FTP account. I use this password, and this is your FTP username. You just save this username and password in anywhere. Then when you need to log in your FTP account, you can log in using this username and password. Okay, so again I check my domain name and everything is okay. Now I click on add-on domain. It's loading, it's take few times. Loading. Okay, done. Now our domain is connected to our hosting account, cPanel account, and FTP account also created. Click on cPanel icon. Okay, and we click on domain option to see that our domain is now connected or not. So here we see lighteventpro.xyz is connected. When you see your domain name in the domain list option, then you understand that your domain is now connected with your server. Okay, so again I click on cPanel logo and on the dashboard, and I check my domain, what's going on my domain. So I reload my domain, and still it's showing sorry. Sometimes it's take time. It's depend on your internet connection, your internet service provider, ISP, but you don't worry about it, it will be update very soon. Okay, so now we need to install WordPress. So here we see in Namecheap we already have the WordPress software in their cPanel account. So we just found the WordPress software and click on it. Okay, so search, we found the WordPress. Okay, and under the software section we found WordPress managed by Softaculous. We click on it. Okay, okay, now we need to install. Click on install, and here we need select our domain name. Okay, our domain name is lighteventpro.xyz. We select the domain name, and directory we install WordPress in our root domain, so directory will be empty. And here you type your site name. It's a demo website, and a type site description WordPress blog. And here you can write your username, admin username. Here I use my name Toha SEO for my username, and for password I changed everything, so I put password ABC 789456, and what I use this password. I copy my password, and email address, I use my email address toharaju@yahoo.com. okay, I use my email address. So I copy my password and email address. Everything is done, and here click on install. No need to select theme or anything. I just select my domain name, and it's HTTP. And next we secured our domain, so we show how to do this. And we select our domain site name, site description, admin username and password, and then click on install. Your password strength must be greater than 80. okay, so our password is now 66, so it's greater than 80. So we add some other character and change jet. Okay, now my password is 84. So I copy my password, I paste my password here, and username Toha SEO, I remember my name. So again click on install. Now process 5%, 6%, and it takes just uh, 30 seconds. Boom, our WordPress installation is done. Now we can visit our website to click on link. Okay, so it's still showing sorry, but it take time, and we go to our admin dashboard. We click on it. Yes, now we are in our admin dashboard. So how can we log in our admin dashboard? After domain, we just need to our domain name is light eventspro.xyz, then wp admin and enter. Then you go to your admin dashboard. Okay, so we visit our website again, try to visit our website, and still sorry, but it takes few times. It depend on internet connection, so I am wait few moments, and when problem is resolved I am back. So wait few moments. Okay, now we check again our website is live or not. Still the same problem. So it's happen if your browser keeps some caches. So we remove everything, cookie and caches the browser. So click on it. Okay, and we click again visit our site. Okay, boom, now our site is live. And it's very simple way to install WordPress and connect your domain name. If sometime you face same problem, you just use some VPN, because your internet service provider and your browser take caches sometimes. That's why your website takes some time to update to your browser. So okay, now we learn how to connect our domain with our web hosting, and how to install WordPress. Now few things I share with you, that I clear my browser cookies. That's why my account is signed out. So we enter our WordPress dashboard. For WordPress dashboard, we need to browse our site /wp -admin and enter. Okay, so use our username Toha SEO, and my password was this was my password, and hit login. Okay, now I am in dashboard, and now this is my current looking website, and now I choose a theme, and I post something and add menus to little bit customize for our blogging website. Now we're trying to make our website as a blog. Okay, so here from appearance to go to themes, you can select themes. Again they need password, so I paste my password. Okay, here you add new, click on add new, and all our theme are free. You can use paid theme as well, but right now I am using a free theme to show you how you can using free theme and customize your blog or website. So I hit on popular. Okay, so I install this theme, Asta, install it and active. Okay, now we select a theme. Now we reload our site and we see what's will change. So we see something is changed. changed. So we little bit customize our website. So we add menu. For adding menu, click on menu. We add menu like home, menu name. We need to create a menu name, menu 1 or top menu. Okay, so we select primary menu and create menu. This is I create a menu, and here I select home page. I add home page. I create some category. So save this menu, and here we see only home menu. To go to our website and reload, yes, we see home, and we add some category. To create category, we go to post. Under post, select on category. Okay, here we select blog. Okay, select blog. We need to create a page, a contact page and privacy policy page. So we go to page and add new. Okay, so our page name is contact us, and hit publish. Okay, we go back. Okay, and here we see privacy policy page already, but it's not live. Click on it. When you have a WordPress site, you already get a privacy policy page. I just publish this page. Okay, so we create home, contact, privacy policy and blog. So we add those in our menu. So we go to click on appearance to menu and select top menu, and here if we click on all, here you see all pages. We select privacy and contact and add to menu. Okay, for you just drag and drop, you can point your menu position. So you can keep this and you can keep like, and I add category, blog, add to menu. Okay, so I keep blog under home section and save. Okay, so here is just reload, and here we see our menu is added, and we need to remove something like that meta site name login. It's no need, and we need to remove those sidebar. So we need to go widget, and we remove recent comment, archive, category and meta. Okay, we remove all these things, and just now we again reload and everything remove, done. So now we need to a post, and we need to upload a logo. Okay, so we just search on logo. So I use Twitter logo and save it. Okay, so I click on customization, and click on header. We put logo and select logo. Okay, we download Twitter logo and we use it. Okay, you for SEO you must need your alter tag. It's a TWI.er Twitter logo. You write your own company name, so just select the logo. Okay, and crop images. Boom, it's done. And my site name, I remove my site name, so this look like this. I just yeah, logo little bit smaller. I make this little smaller and publish. So again we just visit our site to check how looks. Now site looks like this. We can remove our copyright. So if we remove copyright, we go to customization. Again we click to customization. We need to go our footer builder. Okay, here the copyright option. Copyright your site name. Okay, I just remove all and this I publish. Okay, now again if we check our website, yes, now copyright is 2021 and we can use our any text in our copyright section. So that is the little customization, and you can publish anything in your blog. Okay, TRUMP, I made this file name Trump and I add a image Trump and hit publish. We select our category, we select this post under the blog section and update our post. So if we reload our website, here we see our heading text that we publish our blog, and if we click on blog, here we see one post, and if we click on see more, here we see image with stamp and our post. This is the very basic customization using WordPress. Next time I will show you how you can make a professional level website using WordPress. If you have need any type of web design development service or SEO service, you can contact with me, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.